Federal investigators in Southern California say they found what could be the longest cross-border drug tunnel. They announced Wednesday that the tunnel's discovery led to a massive drug bust. The tunnel apparently stretches the length of more than 8 football fields from Tijuana in Mexico to San Diego. Carter Evans shows us how agents seized nearly $30 million worth of drugs.
Barely wide enough to squeeze a person through, this unassuming hole transforms into an elaborate underground maze.
Clear.
Zigzagging for half a mile, the cramped, compact tunnel stretches across the U.S.-Mexico border, and investigators say it's an unprecedented drug smuggling system.
We believe this to be the longest tunnel that we've discovered in this district to date.
As part of an 8-month investigation, federal agents seized more than 1 ton of cocaine and 7 tons of marijuana, worth nearly $30 million. The tunnel stretched from Tijuana all the way to this industrial park in San Diego where the drugs were loaded. Only about 3 feet wide, the tunnel was remarkably complex.
10 feet down in this hole, it's really a completely different story. It is equipped with a ventilation system and a commercial large elevator that I would estimate could hold 8 to 10 people.
Investigators say this is the largest single seizure of cocaine related to a tunnel along the California-Mexico border. Most of the cocaine smuggled into the U.S. comes in on small boats and even makeshift submarines. We saw this firsthand when we traveled with the Coast Guard last year following a record $200 million drug bust in the Pacific. So far, 6 people, including 1 U.S. citizen, have been arrested in connection with this latest seizure, and they face drug trafficking charges. For CBS This Morning, Carter Evans.